Hey guys, I'm at the Contemporary Resort and I want to show y'all what a room looks like here. This is my first time staying at this resort and I am so excited. Like I can't believe that I'm here. I'm so happy and got the coolest magic moment ever because I was supposed to have a garden wing room, but they upgraded me to a Magic Kingdom view room. Wait till y'all see this. What the heck? Look at that. That is Cinderella Castle in her new pink and gold and blue paint job, looking so good. This is so cool. You can see Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Astro Orbiters. Of course, there's the train station and the bus depot. Of course, there's Space Mountain over there and the Tron construction. This is just so cool. Now that I showed y'all the coolest part of this room, and since it's like super bright, let's head back inside and check out the rest of the space. Before we do though, on this balcony there are 2 chairs, this little table, and other people staying here. Hello everyone else that's enjoying this beautiful view too. Okay, well, let's head back inside. So this room has 2 queen size beds. They are very comfortable. Well, at least that one is. I'm assuming that one is too. I did not sleep on that one, but this one is very comfortable. One of the little things that I thought was so cool are these reading lights up here. There's 4 each, and they each have their own individual light switch, and it's adjustable. So cool. Right in the middle is this little cabinet area. You can do some storage under there. There's marble and dark wood throughout the room, which I think looks very sophisticated and nice. There are USB chargers right by the bed, which is an amazing idea. Moving over to this side of the room, there is this huge desk space. There's this super cool table here that is on wheels. Yep, and so you can just wheel it on into any part of the room that you need. So if you need a table anywhere in your room, there you have it. There is this mirror. There's actually a bunch of mirrors in this room that make this room super bright. There's really cool decorative touches like this picture and these fun lamps. There's tons of light in here. This is the only thing that's a little interesting. It's the chest of drawers for this room, and as you can see, it is right by the bed and right by the desk. So I guess if you move the chair, it's not too bad, but yeah, that's the only thing that's like a little odd in this room, but you know, more storage space is always good. This sofa here is actually a sleeper sofa. I could not get it to go down, but as you can see, there are sheets right there. So yes, it is a sleeper sofa, even if I could not make it happen. This huge mirror that goes across the entire length of the room almost makes everything super bright. There's fun tile work and marble work all through this room. It's kind of like darker colors, but I think it's pretty nice. Like, I don't know what you call this brownie olivey green wall, but you know, it's working for the Contemporary. And of course, the best channel ever, the Walt Disney World Today channel. I leave this on all the time when I'm in the room. There's some fun decorative touches like these vases up here, and this guy. This is a notice that's talking about the different ways that Disney has enhanced the cleaning process for the rooms. You can see it showcases very specific ways that the room has enhanced the cleaning process, so that definitely helps with the peace of mind of staying here. One of the examples is this remote right here. You can see that is wrapped in plastic and it is clean. Here's the resort map you get when you check into the Contemporary. This is the main tower. This is where I'm staying. This is the garden wing. This is an addition that they have added on. Here's the pool area, and up here is Bay Lake Tower where DVC members stay. And it gives you a nice rundown of all the shopping and restaurants and recreation options that are open. Lots of lights. So many lights. Adjustable thermostat, that's helpful. All right, getting into the entryway now. So there's the door to the room right here. And so this is what happens as soon as you walk into the room. There's a Keurig coffee maker and there is a closet on either side. So that's awesome that you have so much storage space. Up here in the Keurig, you can see that there are some Joffreys underneath. Oh my goodness, there we go. is the mini fridge and some extra little drawers if you so need them. Some cups, you can see that they are not glass, they are disposable cups, and you got your ice container over here, ice bucket, yeah, ice bucket's the word, and then you've got a fun little painting up here. Something that I think is a cool touch is that there are lights in the closet. You've got the iron, you've got plenty of space to hang clothing, and then there's even some drawers down here and a safe. And here you've got some extra pillows, blankets, more hangers to hang clothing items, and no drawers in here, but you can store your suitcases in here to clear up floor space. Disney is so good about economizing the space in these rooms. They really think of all the ways that you can best utilize this area, and I think it's just smart. I love it. Disney thinks of everything. The closets are not pocket doors, so imagine how hard it would be to walk through if the bathroom door was also an opening door, traditional door. Yeah, traditional door just like these. The Contemporary Resort opened in 1971 with Walt Disney World, and this and the Polynesian are the two original Disney World resorts. This resort is set up in an A-frame fashion, so it looks like an A, and then they actually manufactured the rooms off property, and then they picked up the entire room and like slotted it into the A-frame like you're putting a drawer inside a chest of drawers, which I just think is like, wow. So it's really cool getting to stay in this iconic Disney resort. Like, it doesn't get any more like quintessential Disney than the Contemporary. Like, you see it from Magic Kingdom. It's amazing. So now I'm gonna head down to the pool area because it's super nice and relaxing. I was there earlier, I can't get enough of it. But before we get down there, I have to show you the amazing view of the monorail. Y'all, it's so crazy. We're staying at the Contemporary. My room leads right into the Grand Canyon Concourse. Like, how nuts is this? That's where the monorail goes. Right there, y'all. I hope one comes in soon so I can show you guys. There is Chef Mickey's back there. This is Contempo Cafe. And it's kind of been fun to just like, you know, come out here in the morning, at night, and just kind of see how things have changed, how it gets like calm at night and then gets exciting and energetic in the daytime. We also got the Grand Canyon Concourse mural right here with the five-legged goat right outside my room. No one knows exactly how the five-legged goat came to be. Mary Blair designed the mural, and some people think that she inserted the five-legged goat on purpose to show that nothing is perfect. Some people think that it was just an oversight and somebody accidentally made a tile with a fifth leg. The monorail is coming, so we are going around to its edge here to give you a very cool shot of it. The elevators are so cool because they have characters that tell you which floor you're on. There are two pools here at the Contemporary, and they are both out in the rear of the resort. There have been the most amazing sunsets the past few days. Like, this is incredible. That monorail is going home for the night. You can see that it's headed backstage at Magic Kingdom.